We are in our Piano Adventures lesson book primer level, and we are playing Merrily We Roll Along. And just like we just did with balloons, we have the same fingering and the same notes for Merrily We Roll Along. And our right hand is going to start us out first, and then our left hand. And this is how it sounds. Okay, so let's do our solfege first. Ready? It's just do, re, and mi. And we're starting on mi. Here we go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, re, re. Mi, mi, mi. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, re, mi, re, do. Now let's say our letter names, or our note names. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, D, D. E, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, D, E, D, C. How about our finger numbers? 1, 2, right hand first. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time for our beats. So we have beets, melons, and a watermelon at the very end. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beet, 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 melon. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, beet, melon. Beet, beet,